Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for this week, I would like to do a Bandai S.H Figuarts unboxing of this Forger figure with Anya from the Spy Family anime. So let's go look over the box. So this is the front of the box. And we've got the Bandai logo right here, the Machinations logo, and the Muse Asia hologram sticker. So here's the side of the box. Product shot of Bond sitting there. And then with the other side, we've got Bond with Anya sitting in sitting position. So here's the top of the box and the bottom. So for the back, we've got product shots of Anya sitting here on the sofa and some product shots of Forger. So we've got the usual product information. So yeah, let's crack this open and can't wait to find out what's inside. So here's the packaging. So we've got Anya here on the sitting position, and then there's Bond, and she got 2 legs for the sitting position, while Anya has like 3 extra pair of hands. So yeah, so here's our Bond, and then we've got Anya, and I think we've got some figure stand here. There's like no, just put it there like that, like so. So let's just move over this clamshell and let's take a look at the figure. So this is solid piece. There's weight to it, very heavy. Nice sculpt there. You got some texture on the fur and the shading on the feet looks good. So yeah, overall looks good. So he can stand up properly. And sitting position, not good. I'll just take out the other legs. This one are for the sitting position. Maybe we can do that later. Overall, it's a very solid figure, very nice sculpt, nice paint job. I don't see any paint defects. So let's go over the articulation. It's nice that the mouth can open and close. And there's some details there on the teeth and the tongue. Yeah, looking good. Just have to push it down and push it back up. So there's a separate piece right here. And head is on a ball peg. So that's a separate piece for extra articulation, I guess. Yeah. It can move, look up that high, and then not much looking down. You can just look straight. There's some movement left and right. You can look left and right, just a little. Yeah, and then you can twist his head. So there's a butterfly joint here, which allows for extra movement, and then a ball joint for the shoulders, which can move. He can do the 360, and you can extend this one. Oh no, just extend by, there you go. Yeah, there's some range there, and you can split that much. So ball hinge on the feet. Yeah, which can go up and down. And for the bottom part, no, it's different mechanism right here. There's like a square peg right there. So the back part, you can move that much, and it can, move. Tail is articulated. Oops, there's ball joint there. You can easily pop it and put it back, so it can do the 360, and you can lift it. Yeah, nice range there. So if you want to do the sitting position, just have to remove this piece and then attach the back part like so. And then the other, there you go. So it's on sitting position. Like that. So this is the one that I'm after. So for this one, it's like trying to walk. Let's put back the hole. It's easy to snap in, so no problem there when you're changing the legs. So use this stand right here, and then just place it on his like so. So it's there you go. So it's this one. So that's it. So let's look at the Anya figure. So this can be considered an accessory. So they just made this one with the skirt, the dress in the sitting position, because the old one is just straight and you cannot fold this one. So they made it so that she can sit like this one when she is watching her favorite anime, Spy Wars was it? Yeah, and easy instructions here. Just fold the legs of Anya and put her at the back. Yeah, so no worries there. There you go. Oh, sorry. Couldn't. So there you go. She falls off easily, but she can sit right there. No problem there. You can hook her skirt here on the back part. Excuse me. So there you go. Articulation is the same as this one. They have a different smiling open mouth face here. This one is a little wider. So it's different from this one, the old version. And they just dressed so that she can, you can put her in a sitting position. So if you want Anya in the standing position, and now you can have her in the sitting position as well. So there's no shade, not much shading here at the back, or on the bottom part of the hair. Yeah, this one has the original, the first version has some shading, while the new one doesn't have. Dress is matte, so it's just the same. So yeah, all good. So I have here, this is the Bandai Forger that I always use on my toy photography. It's just a static figure, and it comes with the shades and the hat. So like that. So this is the one I always use for toy photography. And now I got the S.H Figuarts version. He is smaller. Yeah. But it's still good because this one is articulated, so no problem with the articulation there. So maybe I can use these shades on him. No, it won't stick. Maybe put some sticky tack there, blue tack, and it's too big for him, but it will do. And there you go. Yeah, it's good. It fits him. So yeah, now we have the complete Forger family, and let's bring over the head of the family, father figure, Lloyd Forger, right there. And then the mother of the Forger family, your Forger. And then we've got Anya right here. It's really hard to balance this figure. And then we've got Band. And yeah, we've got Anya as well. So, oh, right? When you do this in front of the camera, it's always gonna be challenging, right? So yeah, you get my drift. So there you go, the whole Forger family. So yep, see you on my next unboxing. I think I got Damien Desmond coming, and Becky Blackbell as well. So yeah, see you guys on my next unboxing, and have a nice day. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like my channel. So see you guys. Ciao.